So I had one of these covers in the back of this thing for the longest time. Even though Blue has one. Extang was bought out. You see, this is an older thing, got the number on. I mean, the new don't have it. They get bought out by another company. Of course, some company buys them out and they say, oh, we're not making this anymore. We're not making this anymore, even if it has a lifetime warranty, but we don't care because we were bought out by another company. So again, the end broke off again. Plastic end right there. You see, bam. Supposed to have a tab. They break off all the time. It's like the worst design ever. They can't send me the part, so now it's a pain to get off. I have to go cram something in between there every time, like a little piece of metal I gotta make. And you can't get any parts for it. So after all these years, this cover is gonna go. I could buy a new design one for $339, but after that, I'm not giving that company a cent of my money. After that kind of treatment, they can't make a small plastic part. So Extang or Real Truck or anything else, avoid these companies unless they want to send me a cover. Being a big time YouTuber, yeah, right. But yeah, we're gonna have to avoid it unless they want to do right by me, because now I can't. You know, it's near non-functional for something you bought. It's a shame. So that's the deal with that. Don't trust these aftermarket companies. Don't put aftermarket stuff on your vehicle, because one day they are going to stop supporting it. So there's the deal with that. If you know where I can get corner pieces or somebody makes stuff out of plastic, let me know. I do need one. There's probably someone who can make you that. Great. It's always the right side that breaks too. But Extang, no longer good. Their customer service went down the tubes too, and they got bought out. That's just how it works with companies. Alright, I'm out of this, son. Kind of mad about that. I do have a solution to it. A rigged up solution. Besides that, they don't care about your old junky classic truck, I guess.